Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the EEZYCUT Trilobite line cutters. So these come in two different variations. You either get it with a harness pouch or a wrist-mounted pouch. Now the real difference in this is that the wrist section, the webbing mount has this loop at the top. So that's really made to go over your dive computer strap, so it can sit kind of neatly on your wrist, just sort of exactly where you need it. Whereas the harness pouch doesn't have that loop, but it has this sort of section, and this is 2 inches, so that's going to go across your sort of 2-inch sort of webbing belt of your BCD. Other than that, the cutters themselves are exactly the same. You do get a few spare cutting blades as well. So this is quite handy, and they come with this nice little sort of protective case. So you get 2 spare blades, so you can replace these blades because they're made out of steel. If you don't look after them, they will rust. So you do have to sort of wash them and dry them sort of between dives and make sure that, they don't rust up. Okay, so the cutters themselves, they come in lots of different colors and sort of 2-tone color variations depending on your preference. They sit very neatly in that very compact little sheath, and then you have the velcro closure system that just locks them down. Very easy to deploy, just grab hold of that, that becomes a bit of the handle, pull that out. You've got a little sort of finger loop so you can get a little bit more control, and then use that strap as a handle. And then the blades themselves are protected by these 2 sections, so they're much less likely to cut yourself or your gear unintentionally, but for cutting through webbing or sort of fishing line, very, very efficient. These are razor sharp sort of edges onto them. And yeah, anything that you get underneath this little protector, it's gonna cut through effortlessly. So very, very quick. Now, of course, very easy to swap the blades over. You can see we've got these little Phillips head screws and then nuts on the other side. So just undo that bolt and then these 2 halves separate, and then just swap the blades over so as and when you need to. So an essential piece of kit. A lot of advanced divers dive with at least 1 or 2 of these kind of dotted around them so that they can always find one to deploy it. I definitely like it. This is the EEZYCUT Trilobite line cutter. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.